Hello YouTube, Erhrole here. Today I received in the mail Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty past box from November 2015. It was the original box, or the first box of Smuggler's Bounty. So let's just get right into it. Shoot. Oh gosh. Nice scissors. Alright. Behold your fair share of Smuggler's Bounty. So right here we have the pin. Right here. And the patch. Pretty cool. Okay, it's just a shirt. Right, so check out this shirt. There's 4 variants of this, and I definitely wanted the Kylo Ren variant, but that's fine. That's fine. Let's not be unthankful. Snowtrooper? Pretty cool. I'm really liking these pop shirts. Got this cool little lanyard that I can put my Smuggler's Bounty pins on right now. They are being shared with my Marvel and DC pins. I know that's a no-no putting them on the same lanyard, but that's what I got. Alright. Everyone knows about Captain Phasma Chrome. So this is exclusive to Smuggler's Bounty. I don't know, am I missing a sticker, a Smuggler's Bounty sticker? Did they not have these with the original box? Not sure. But check that out, all chrome. Captain Phasma. Number 91. And on the back, those are the 3 that you can get. TIE Fighter pilot and the Chase TIE Fighter pilot. So I know it's a smaller chance to get that one, and that's what I'm hoping for. Let's check it out. Did not get that one, but that's okay. Number 89, TIE Fighter pilot, Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. Number 89. At the bottom it says collect them all. So I don't know if I should order another box or just get it off eBay. I'm not willing to pay those ridiculous eBay prices. So if you want to sell one to me for cheap, let me know in the comment section below. Or DM me. That's all that was in the box. Thank you, YouTube. Thanks for watching. So check out this super shiny, chromed out pop of Captain Phasma. Spoiler alert for those who haven't seen the movie, stop watching now. But she doesn't have that big of a role in The Force Awakens. Neither did Boba Fett, so no big deal. Still one of a handful of fans' favorite characters already. This pop is so cool. It's so shiny. Like, you can see the reflection from my camera and from the lights on this green screen. I already see a fingerprint there, so that's not cool. Look at this detail. The cape. You can see the waves. Trying not to get some fingerprints on here. I know I didn't touch it there, so it looks like whoever packed it got fingerprints on her. But I really like the cape. It's pretty nice. I heard rumors that she will be in episode 8, so hopefully she has a bigger role. Either way, I really like Gwendolyn Christie's character. You may know her from such hit shows such as Game of Thrones. Let me know what you think about this pop. Hey, check out this up-close and personal look of TIE Fighter Pilot number 89 from the Force Awakens series. For you collectors out there of the original Star Wars series, you'll notice some small differences, such as this hose being connected on this side but not this side. And also you will notice this panel was on the chest of the original TIE Fighters. Chest more centered, so now it looks like it's off to the side or offset. I'm digging this flat black. You can see it shine a little bit. Yeah, that's from the lights. 'Cause I'm trying to use this green screen, makeshift green screen. And focus. The detail, it's pretty basic, but it looks pretty good. Just like a TIE fighter should. So let me know if you have that 1 in 5 chase variant with the red stripes and you're willing to part with it in the comment section below or message me. Thanks.